What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Yahoo account without email, password and security questions. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in help.yahoo.com. After typing this, you will be redirected to this help page of your Yahoo account. So now from here, click on this chat and then type in account login slash recovery. After that, it will guide you and then it will ask you, are you currently able to sign in your account at login.yahoo.com? Just say, no, I am not able to log in. And after that, you will get the button to sign in helper. Just click on it and then a helper will get connected to you and will help you recover your Yahoo account without your password, your email, and without any security questions. This is how you can recover your Yahoo account. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.